Hello, we're going to set up the Magic Jack device, create an account, and make a phone call. So in this box, there is a USB extension cable, network cable, the Ethernet cable. This is the Magic Jack device itself. This is the power adapter. So with the Magic Jack, you have the phone line. Okay, this is where if you have an analog phone, you can connect it there. And the other jack is for the Ethernet cable. Okay, so you can use the USB adapter to connect this to your computer, or if you want to connect your Magic Jack to the power directly, then you can simply connect it to the power supply. Okay, like I said before, that cable is just an extension cable and you don't have to use it. Okay, now so your Magic Jack will need access to the internet to work. So one way to connect to two ways. So there are two ways you can connect your Magic Jack to the internet. The first one is to connect it directly through your router or a switch. If you have a router from your internet company, you can use that, or if you have a little switch that's connected to your main router, you can do that as well. And you use the Ethernet cable that came with your Magic Jack to do the connection. As you can see here, I have the Magic Jack connected to a router, and then I'm gonna connect the power adapter to the power. And secondly, you can connect the Magic Jack device directly to a computer. You can also transfer your existing phone number to Magic Jack. But first, if you have an existing phone number, you might be able to transfer it to Magic Jack, but you have to check first on the Magic Jack website. For example, if your current number is under a contract with your provider, you might not be able to transfer it. In my case, I didn't have a contract, so I was able to transfer my number to Magic Jack. Works is that Magic Jack gives you a temporary number. You can pick your area code, and then once your number is transferred to Magic Jack, that your old number replaces the temporary number Magic Jack gave you. So as soon as you set up your account, you're gonna have a number. It's gonna be a temporary number or a permanent number, depending if you are transferring numbers, or if you're transferring your number, or if you're a new customer and you just want to have a brand new phone number. So when I created this video, there was a promotion going on, and I paid $49 for the Magic Jack device, and then it was free. The rest of for a year, I didn't have to pay anything. And there's also a fee to transfer or to port your existing number. There's a fee of $19.95. And also there is another fee if you use the 911 service, and I'm sure you use that, and that depends. That fee, it depends on where you are. It could be $10, it could be less, or it could be more as well. So that is if you want to dial 911, so that the 911 service will know the location of your house. You have to pay an extra fee for that, and that's normal for all service providers. Now that everything looks good, we're gonna go ahead and try our first call. Okay, I'm gonna call my cell phone to see if it works. I'm dialing my cell phone and it's actually ringing. The phone is ringing right now, so I'm ready to go. As you can see, I use the Magic Jack Windows app to make a phone call. You can also download the Magic Jack for your Android or iPhone device. Once you download the app and sign in using your Magic Jack account, you can start receiving and making phone calls. Thanks for watching.